Good morning. This is Sheldon here from the Currency Advisory Desk. Well, Asian stocks rose today along with oil prices, on the back of the news flow that came out that Spanish banks will receive a bailout of around $125 million from the Eurozone members. Well, this news had a major impact, and we've seen worldwide indices trading in the green. Now, the euro is expected to gain strongly against the Indian rupee basis this news. And internationally also, we have seen that the euro has strengthened, and it's already trading at around a month's high of 1.2669 against the US dollar. Now, in rupee terms, we expect the euro to move to around 69.80 to 70 levels against the rupee. Now, moving to the US, well, the dollar index is trading at around 82.31 levels, which is down marginally by around 0.73%. However, if we see the international chain of events, it will determine the future of the dollar starting from next week, which is the June 17th Greece election outcome, moving on to, June 19th to 20th, the FOMC decision on rate cut. Also, we have to keep a keen eye on the domestic front. We've got a lot of major events coming out this week also. We have the IIP data for the month of April and the wholesale price index, which will give us, the cues about inflation for the month of May, which is due this week. Now, we are expecting, according to a poll, we are expecting the IIP data to come in positive at around 1.6% versus, the negative 3.5% release that was their last release. And the monthly inflation numbers are expected to come at around 7.5% for the month of May as compared to 7.23% last week. Now, this positive, if this does happen, the positive impact of this we'll see that the rupee will strengthen further against the dollar, and it will add further pressure to the dollar. And yes, it will we can go ahead and short the US dollar rupee for immediate term, that is as of now. Now, we are expecting the rupee to trade sideways against the pound, and we expect the pound to get some support from dollar weakness in the global market, that is. There was news from China. Well, China reported a trade surplus of $18.7 billion. This puts to rest some of the ongoing rumors in the market about hard landing of the Chinese economy. And also, everyone was talking that probably it's going to be a slowdown from here moving forward. China will not able to give us the numbers of growth that it has been delivering. Now, this figure puts a real question mark onto that particular statement. Now, China had last week cut interest rates to provide a booster for domestic driven growth. What we have seen from this, or what we can analyze out of this particular data, is that China is doing well internationally, as in their exports and imports are doing well. However, they are more concerned